Hi students, I am going to start exercise 7.9 second sum third subdivision. The second sum third subdivision y is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 4. To find the value of sketch of curve. Okay, so now the sketch of curve for there are 7 conditions are satisfied. Okay, solution already explained for the 7 conditions. The first one domain. Okay, so given f of x equal to y is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 4, then when x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2, so the denominator value is x square, so x square minus 4 equal to 0, x is 0 equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. So in this curve minus infinity to plus infinity does not exist in this value plus or minus 2. When x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2, f of x does not exist. Therefore the domain real number others set of minus 2 comma 2. Okay, so in this term of next one, second one, put y equal to 0. So y equal to 0. So in this term of x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 4 equal to 0. So in denominator values come this side is 0 into anything multiple value of 0. Okay, so now x square plus 1 equal to 0. X square equal to plus 1 is come this side is a negative 1. So x equal to root of minus 1. So root of minus 1 means is a complex number, no real number. Okay, so therefore and the sum of no real value x value, so no x intercept. Okay, put x equal to 0, so y equal to x's value of 0 0, so plus 1 divided by minus 4, so minus 1 divided by 4, therefore 1 intercept minus 1 divided by 4 equal to is a cancel value of 0.25. The next page, third condition, the critical numbers f of x equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 4 and f dash of x equal to f of x equal to d by dx into u divided by v method. Okay, so v into du by dx minus u into du divided by dx v, dv divided by dx, u into dv divided by dx divided by v square. So using the formula u is equal to x square plus 1 and v is equal to x square minus 4. So using the formula and substitute now, x square minus 4 u into differentiate with respect to the value of 2x. X square is a differentiate value 2x plus 1 equal to differentiate value 0 minus x square plus 1 into x square minus 4 is a differentiate value 2x minus 0 divided by x square minus 4 whole square. The multiple value of 2x plus 0, 2x into x square, 2x cube, 2x into minus 4 minus 8x, then 2x minus 0 equal to 2x into x square minus 2x square, plus into minus 1 into 2x minus 2x divided by x square minus 4 whole power square. Okay, so now 2x cube and minus 2x cube are cancelled. Minus 8x minus 2x equal to minus 10x divided by x square minus 4 whole square. That is f dash of x equal to minus 10x divided by x square minus 4 whole square. Then f dash of x equal to 0, so minus 10x divided by x square minus 4 whole square equal to 0. Then the numerator value of minus 10x equal to 0, x equal to 0 and denominator value of x square minus 4 whole square equal to 0, square root on both sides. So x square minus 4 equal to 0, then minus 4 is come this side is a positive 4, x square equal to 4, then x equal to plus or minus 2. So plus or minus 2 means in this domain of others value says minus 2 comma 2, so does not belongs to the x equal to plus or minus does not belongs to domain, okay. So therefore the critical numbers are 0 comma 2 comma minus 2 comma plus 2, okay. So therefore the number lines minus infinity to plus infinity, minus 2 and plus 2 in 0, the critical numbers are entered, okay. Then the intervals of the monotonicity as minus infinity to comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2, 2 comma infinity. In substitute the value is intervals minus infinity comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2, 2 to infinity, sine of f dash of x. So f dash of x is minus infinity to minus 2, in between the value of say x equal to minus 3. So minus 3 in f dash of x is a substitute. Now f dash of is positive and x equal to minus 1, minus 2 to 0, in between the value of x equal to minus 1, in substitute the f dash of x. So f dash of x is positive and 0 comma 2 is in between the value of x equal to 1, in substitute the value of f dash of x equal to in this term of positive, sorry, negative term. Next 2 comma infinity, x equal to minus 3, substitute in f dash of x is a negative term, okay. Therefore the monotonicity is minus infinity to minus 2 is increasing and minus 2 to 0 increasing, 0 to 2 is decreasing, 2 to infinity is a decreasing value. So in this term of decreasing, in this term of increasing is increasing, okay. Minus infinity to minus 2, in between the value of increasing, minus 2 to 0 increasing, 0 to 2 is decreasing, 2 to infinity is a decreasing, okay. So therefore f of x is increasing in minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 comma 0, and decreasing in 0 comma 2 and 2 comma infinity. Then fourth conditions for f double dash of x. F dash of x values is minus 10x divided by x square minus 4 whole square. So already using for u by v method, v into du divided by dx minus u into dv divided by dx divided by v square. So u is equal to minus 10x, v is equal to x square minus 4 whole square. So substitute the value of f double dash of x equal to minus 10 into x is a differentiate value 1. So the denominator value is differentiate minus 10x into x square minus 4 whole square plus 10x minus into minus 10x means minus into minus plus 10x into x square minus 4 whole square is a differentiate value 2 into x square minus 4 into again differentiate with respect to 2x. 2x is a x square is a differentiate value 2x, okay. So now the divided x square minus 4 whole square again whole square, so 2 2s are 4, therefore x square minus 4 whole power 4, okay. So now the common value of x square minus 4 is take outside, x square minus 4 into minus 10 into x square minus 4 plus 2 into 10 20, 20 into 2 40, 40 into x square. So x square minus 4 is on the side, okay. So x square minus 4 and 4 is cancel of 3, okay. So minus 10x square minus 10 into x square minus 10x square minus 10 into minus 4 plus 40 plus 40x square divided by x square minus 4 whole power 3, okay. So now in this term of minus 10x square plus 40x square equal to 30x square plus 40 divided by x square minus 4 whole cube. Then f double dash of x is x equal to 30x square plus 40 divided by x square minus 4 whole cube. And f double dash of 0 is equal to 40 divided by minus 4 whole cube. So in this term of less than 0, it is maximum at x equal to 0, and f of 0 is equal to 0 square plus 1 divided by 0 square minus 4, so minus 1 by 4. The maximum value is minus 1 by 4. And fifth condition, f double dash of x equal to 0 means 30x square plus 40 divided by x square minus 4 whole square equal to 0. Then 30x square plus 40, the denominator value is numerator. Come this side is the numerator value. So 0 into anything multiplies 0. So therefore 30x square plus 40 equal to 0. So x square equal to 40 is come this side minus 40. Multiple value of come this side is a denominator value. 40 divided by 30 equal to minus 4 divided by 3. So no real values. The negative values is x square equal to negative value is the complex number. Okay, so therefore the real values, so no point of inflection. The point of inflection is no. Okay, at the next one, the curve does not exist x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are the vertical asymptote. X equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are the vertical asymptote, and horizontal asymptote is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. So all the points are substitute the curve x-axis. The pencil line is draw the line is x-axis, and domain points x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2. So in this term is x equal to 2 and x equal to 2, y equal to 1. The asymptote point is x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 1, y equal to 1. So the asymptote line is x equal to 2 is a draw the line, x equal to minus 2 is a draw the line, y equal to 1. So 1 is the draw the line. Okay, so the asymptote line, and is the point of y x-intercept is no. The y-intercept is minus 1 divided by 4. Y value is minus 1 divided by 4 means y is equal to x value 0. So x value 0, y value minus 1 by 4 is a minus 1 is a this part is minus 1 divided by 4. So the next one, the increasing point is minus infinity to minus 2. The increasing point minus infinity to minus 2. So draw the curve. The curve is the last term is minus infinity. So in this term of the asymptote line is in between, the value is minus infinity to minus 2, x equal to minus 2. So in this line is draw the curve. Next one, second decreasing, another one increasing point minus 2 to 0. Next one, the last one, the decreasing point is minus 2 to infinity, 0 to 2. Okay, so 0 to 2 is a decreasing point. So in this term of minus, and this curve is a maximum, the real intercept is touch the value is curve is a decreasing point. Okay, so another 2 to 1 is a increasing point. So 2 to infinity. So in this term there is a curve is a started point is a listen now, see the diagram, minus 2 to infinity. In this draw the line, and minus 2 to 0 is the value is increasing, minus 2 and 0, so increasing point. So 0 to plus 2 is a decreasing point, 0 to 2, so decreasing point. Next, 2 to infinity, then x equal to 2, so 2 to infinity is a 2 to infinity is a decreasing point. Okay, so thou in this term of is a curve is the diagram, x-axis and y-axis is a asymptote value, and a monotonicity is a value is increasing and decreasing points. So all the terms are conditions are satisfied. That's all. We will meet the next class.